everyone, my name is Rhonda R Robson and welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today's video is a second one that I've done. It's a zigzag and I like it because I love the colors in it. I used the Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paints and I just did like a rainbow of colors. What I don't like is that I started to tilt it. I should have just kept the zigzags the way that they were and didn't tilt it, but the tilting adds a little bit of dimension, a little bit more of a fluid look to it. All right, well, let's get you down the canvas. Let me show you how to do this. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. All right, let's get you down. Bye for now. Bye. Hey everyone. Well, we're just gonna do this little 11 by 14 inch and we're gonna do rainbow. And I'm gonna use the Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paint so you can kind of see them in a row here. I'm gonna take a little bit of my white paint that I have with Dick Blicks and I'm just gonna make a nice, I don't know, just gonna make the canvas wet is all I'm gonna do using my brush here. And then my plan is to make a rainbow with very thin stripes, but all the way through. And then I'm going to take a tool and I'm going to come like this and try to go straight across the best that I can and scrape it into each other. So, but I'll come this way, then I'll come this way, and then I'll come this way and this way and this way and this way. So let's have some fun. All right, so I'm going to take, like I said, this Dick Blicks paint. I'm just going to wet the canvas. That's all I'm doing is I'm just going to get it all over on the sides. That way, if I don't cover my sides, they've been covered with at least white. And then the top surface, get it wet with the paint as well. So kind of like that. Okay, so that's my plan. Get this side. And I've been painting so much that I ran out of gloves. And so I'm just, it's acrylic and it's fine to get it on my hands and my fingers and my fingernail polish. I'll just repaint my fingernails. So no big deal. Just having way too much fun today to stop, and I just want to keep going. I don't want to have to worry about going and getting any gloves or anything. So yeah. Okay, it looks like I'm going to go back and forth a couple times there. Looks like it's all covered now. Okay. This will be a fun one to do. Alright, now I'm going to put my paint off to the side over here. So let's start with purple. And again, this is the Ready Mix pouring paint, and I just want to make one stripe. This one's almost out, so hoping it'll give me enough to go across. And I think I'll probably end up putting white in between these, so let me get that out here. This is a metallic white that I think would be kind of cool. Okay, and let's use this white here again. This one's almost out too, so just want to get across. There we go. Now I think I'm going to dump this one back over and see if I can get more of that one in there. Let's go the white again. And again, this is metallic white, so it's kind of like a pearl white. It's not a true white. To make them as straight as I can. Not working very good. Almost forgot the white, so we'll go across with the yellow here. White in the middle. Back across on this side. I was going to say I should have put the darker yellow next to the green, but no, it should be next to the orange because it's an orange yellow. All the warm colors I think I have new bottles for. Need some more blue. I like using blue a lot. I use it for a lot of my I do a lot of ocean scenes, so I do use a lot more blue. And I tend to like blues better for some reason, but I just do. And the worms. It's windy out. You can hear it. Okay, well, hopefully I have some more of that blue. See if I can get any more of this one out. Alright, not gonna happen. Okay, so I'm gonna move all these over to the side and take my tool. Oh yeah, I gotta get these off the side. I gotta get these up here. I need room to be able to move my hands back and forth. Okay, so we're going to come this way. Okay, I'm just gonna let this be. It looks kind of cool. Something different, totally different. I really wish that the lines were more smooth and so that it kind of flowed better, but you know what? It looks pretty cool by itself. So I'm just gonna get these off of here, and I might do the same thing to another one. And then just not have all the colors, but most of the colors. So, all right, bye for now.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.